Guys, today I'm at Gomez Cemetery, right here in Hobe Sound, Florida. Let's go look around. I heard there's like about 40 graves here. Let's keep going. Wow. That's pretty old, guys. Can you read this one? Can't read that one. Damn. Can't read this one either. Wow. Oh, look at this, not down. Oh boy. Even that. Look at these markers. Wow, I got a spider web on me. Wow, maybe these are babies. Doesn't have any writing. Let's go to this one. What does this one say, guys? Can't really make that out. Yeah, I've never seen a cemetery this empty. Wow. That dog scared me, bro. Let's go over here. Korea. Wow. Yeah, here's the back of the cemetery. And like, yeah, guys, look, Amazon truck, houses. I feel like I'm walking in the desert. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna keep going. I think that's a grave. But, oh, it says something. Let's see. Florida. Ow. Daniels. 1955. 1901. World War II. Wow. Come over here. Wow. You can barely make that out. Yeah, guys, this is something. And there's like a trail back there. So yeah, I almost missed this. Gomez Cemetery. Wow. So yeah, I just wanted to show you guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Yeah, I saw something over here too. See these two graves over here. I think they're just made of stone though. Or just had flowers. Like, I don't know. So yeah, guys, a lot of these are unmarked. Check out the video description because I'm gonna put that. And yeah, I think I missed one over here. All the way over there. Let me see. Okay, no. I don't know. So leaving this area, coming over here. Hey guys, yeah, look at this sinking grave. Oh my god, I just got another spider web. Wow, rest in peace, guys. If you can read that. think this is another one. Yeah, this is crazy. See the houses right across the street. And yeah, this is what caught my eye over here for me to know that there was another part of the cemetery. Come over here, see another grave. I guess where the flowers are, or where the graves got destroyed, or I don't know. Look at this one. Wow. Alright, rest in peace, guys.